Welcome to our detailed comparison between Kraken and ByBit. These are two well-known platforms in the world of cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we will be examining key areas such as features, pricing, user experience, and more. Let's dive right in. Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, advanced trading features like futures and margin trading, as well as staking services. ByBit, on the other hand, mainly focuses on derivatives trading, offering perpetual contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, and Ripple. ByBit's features are more streamlined, making it easier for beginners to navigate. Kraken operates on a tiered fee schedule, which decreases as your trading volume increases. ByBit, however, uses a maker-taker fee structure, where makers get rebates and takers pay fees. This can be more cost-effective for traders who add liquidity to the order book. Kraken's interface is comprehensive but can be overwhelming for new users. It offers a standalone trading platform, Kraken Pro, for more experienced traders. ByBit has a simpler and more intuitive interface, making it more user-friendly, especially for beginners. Kraken integrates with third-party platforms like CryptoWatch for market analysis and TradingView for charting tools. ByBit, however, doesn't offer many third-party integrations but has an inbuilt TradingView for real-time price tracking. Both Kraken and ByBit prioritize security. Kraken has a solid track record with no recorded hacks. It also offers additional security measures like two-factor authentication. ByBit also has robust security measures in place, including two-factor authentication, and stores its assets in multi-signature cold wallets. Kraken offers 24/7 support via live chat and email and has a comprehensive support center. ByBit also provides round-the-clock support and a detailed FAQ section. Both platforms are highly scalable, capable of handling high trading volumes without performance issues. The winner in this comparison is Kraken. It offers more trading options and cryptocurrencies, integrates with popular third-party platforms, and has a proven security track record. However, ByBit's simple and intuitive interface and maker-taker fee structure could be more suitable for beginners and certain trading strategies. Thank you for watching this comparison between Kraken and ByBit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.